Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix cannot play video error in MX Player. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. Let's fix it. So our first step is to check codec version. For that you need to enter into your MX Player and then your profile and then click settings. Over the settings you need to find decoder and enter into the decoder, and please scroll down. You may see the custom codec. So over there you can see your version. Here what we are gonna do is we are going to download the version in the browser. So it's our second step. So enter into your browser and just type the version name and download, or else you can copy the link in the description and paste it to download your versions. So please scroll down and check whether your correct version is stated over there and then download the version. Yeah, I had given two links. You can either use any one of the link to download the version. Once you downloaded your version, you need to close the browser and open the MX Player again, and then enter into the custom codec and then choose your downloaded version file to install in the MX Player. So once it's done, you need to restart your application. Just you can close and again open, or you can restart your mobile phone. So check whether if it's solved or not. If not, please follow the third step. Our third step is to enable the MX setting. For that you need to enter into the MX Player setting. Over there again you need to click decoder and you need to disable and enable the HW decoder once. Yeah, once it's done, please close it. So our fourth step is to clear cache data. So please enter into the app info, and then at the bottom right you may see clear data. Please click and clear cache data. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.